Hi everyone. Today we have with us Dr. Lavendra Bothra. Sir is the chairman of Alamuri Ratnamal Institute of Engineering and Technology based in Thane. Sir has done BE and ME from Veermata Jijabai Technological Institute and MBA and PhD from Mumbai University. Sir possesses a teaching experience of nearly 3 decades. He brings to the institution a deep academic understanding of rich educational content and effective delivery. Sir, nice to have you with us.
Thank you. I feel honored that you have given me an opportunity to have an interaction with the student, and
Yes,
I'm much thankful to College Dunia to bring us on the platform. Thank you very much.
thank you to you, sir, as well. So I'll start with the interview. So first of all, I want to understand like what has your experience been in education industry since you have been in this industry for 3 years, 30 years and more than that. So just wanted to understand like how has your experience been and what can students learn from it?
See, my dear Parth, we should know that our Prime Minister is now behind Atmanirbhar Bharat. So
Yes,
we
sir.
need to understand the real problems, life problems of the situation, and we need to work on it. So
Yes,
it is better we should discuss now. We should concentrate more on skilling than a mere knowledge.
yes,
So
sir.
we need to make skill India.
Mhm.
So students should understand the basic thing that they should have a hands-on experience of anything. So
Mhm.
there must be a proper, contact with your eyes and with your hand movement.
Mhm.
The day when you will make a mastery of this, then you
Mhm.
will be a successful person. Like you see, when we see Viren Sehwag, a cricketer,
Mhm.
he just put a 4 or 6 without moving, so
Mhm.
he's having a perfect contact with his eyes and with his uh, hand movement. So same skill has to be developed in your core area, then you will be a master. I think so.
Absolutely, sir. And sir, you have held key positions at various education institutes, and throughout your professional career, you have been associated with education. So, what are the factors that keep you connected with education sector since long?
But answer is very simple. My father was very much behind the education, and
Okay,
same I am following. So
okay,
he
sir.
used to say that you have to have a right dream. So
Mm-hmm.
I was having a right dream to do something, to contribute something in education system. So
Okay,
my path of travel is from lecturer to assistant professor to HOD to principal to training and placement officer to campus director and to the chairman. So
okay,
I
sir.
have enjoyed every position in a engineering college. So you should have a right dream, then you should get a right direction from your expert. So
Yes,
it always carries a very important sense that you must have a proper motivator or mentor for you for anything, so that
absolutely.
the chances of failure are less. You should have a daring, you should have a discipline, you should have a dedication, you should have a deadlines, and you should know where you need to go for destination. What is your destination? That you should know in advance. Then anything can be possible. Nothing is impossible here, because we always say impossible is nothing but I am possible,
Yes, sir.
and it's possible.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
I hope I have given an answer in a proper way to you.
Oh, absolutely, sir. Uh, so,
Yes,
uh,
thank you very much.
and being the like chairman at the institute, like what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
See, my philosophy is very simple. My philosophy is a democratic way, counseling, mentoring, and coaching.
Mm-hmm.
It is very important to coach than to teach. You have to take him at field and give him proper direction. Bookish knowledge will not create, great thing in the India. You should take people at site and we should teach them. Either bring the industry at your college or some machineries and teach him, or you go to the industry and please ask student to learn the basic skills on the machines. Maybe computer, maybe AI, ML, or any machine. He should have a hands-on experience.
Yes,
That
sir.
will pay much to him. That will get a good opportunity to get good job also.
Yes, sir. So, like you talked about the technologies and how the world is moving fast. So, just wanted to understand what are the like programs that are there at Institute. Just can you give us some highlight of key
Yes.
courses and programs at the Institute?
Yes. See, as you know, after COVID-19, we have developed a LMS system,
Mm-hmm.
learning management system, where
Mm-hmm.
student can refer any day, any time, all the notes, all the PPTs, AR and VR, virtual reality scene also we have created. Like our team has visited to industries, suppose like for welding. So bookish knowledge, welding will read it, but will not get a sense of it. So what we have done, we have visited industry, we have taken the all video and all the basic information and how to operate it. That supervisor has explained us. So we are trying to develop a connect between industry and academics. And in this way, we are requesting our student to just learn the basic things and work on it practically than theoretically.
Absolutely, sir. And like, what do you think should be the top priority of institute would be over the next 10 years, since education system is changing a lot? So what priorities you have in mind?
Yes, now see, we have to be a hybrid now, online and offline, both the things we have to take. So first thing is that we are doing this. Second thing is that we are planning to start our own private university. It will take little bit time, but our dream is to start our own private university. We are having a proper land and everything. Just we are working for right time, so that we'll go on that private university to make it. And second, our idea is to get our college to KG to PG. Right now we are having a degree college, engineering, where 7 branches are there. Diploma college where 4 branches are there. We are having Master of Engineering where 3 branches are there. And MMS having intake of 120 students. But very nearly we'll start our junior college also, and then we'll go back to schooling system also.
Okay, sir. And in terms of challenges, like what are the challenges that you are facing currently, or what are the challenges in general you think that education system is facing right now?
See, I just told you the project-based learning is very important. We have to understand the live problems, and student should have developed some questioning and reasoning ability, which is not there more. So management or institute should develop the questioning and reasoning ability of the student. He should learn to ask questions. I always say people, our staff, my teachers, because I am working in this industry since last 35 years. So we should have 6 friends with us always together as an engineer. The first question should come in our mind is why, when, where, what, and how. If you master these 6 questions and you try to find a solution on this, nothing is difficult, my dear friend. You have to follow some system, some process, then you will get the result. I always tell people, enjoy the process, not the result. Result will automatically come. But if you are not enjoying the process, then you will not get proper results. So first step for a student to enjoy is 4 years, not as boredom. He should enjoy whatever work he's doing. He should put his body, mind, and soul in the thing where he wants to work. All these 3, body, mind, and soul, must go hand to hand together. Then proper result will come.
Absolutely, sir. And that's a nice learning for students as well. And in terms of like extracurricular activities, do you have any programs where students can enhance their skills so that they are exposed to real world challenges?
Yes. So see, I have a little bit more in this. It's not extracurricular activities. With addition, we have to work on co-curricular activities also. Absolutely. So we need to develop a holistic approach of life. So first thing is that we celebrate Mother's Day in our college, where the mother of VIP person like IPS officer, IS officer, or any big industry person come as a chief guest. And all the mothers of our students along with the students are invited for that program. And they share their experience, how they teach and coach to their son or daughter. So they get live experience. So we should work on holistic approach. So this is the first thing we are doing. Second thing which is important, we are trying to make them developing some quotients. So we equally work on intelligent quotient, emotional quotient, social quotient, visualization quotient. These all quotients are important, equally important in life. So it will not make much importance if your IQ level is very high. But if you are unable to talk to the people, get your team, because I always say team is nothing but together everyone achieves more. So we should learn a skill of managing your team also. doing work with the team. So these
Mhm.
all things are required. Then and then you will get a proper success.
Absolutely. And sir, so like we have talked a lot about institute. So, is there anything specific that you would like people to know about the institute that they may not know currently, which we might have missed out?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. First thing, I feel honored to say our institute is run by a highly qualified peoples.
Mhm.
One of the trustee, I am a chairman, but I have done my PhD, I have done my MTech, MBA, which you just explained, and my other
Mhm.
trustee was a CEO, Chief Executive Officer, for
Mhm.
around 30 years. So
Okay.
our institute is having a right combination of academics and industry. So at the
Okay.
top level only, we have a right combination. Second thing which is important is that, Gurukul, before 30, 40 years, there was a Gurukul system. So our college is just like a very good river behind flowing our college, very
Mhm.
greenery. Everything is, there is a mental peace to the student. So
Mhm.
mental peace is also required for studies because study requires concentration. So
Mhm.
in our campus, you will get everything.
Yes, sir.
So that is
Absolutely.
also another thing which our college is having.
Yes, sir. And in terms of this students, what would you like to say to students like who are aspiring for some graduation degree, or from your experience, like what would you like to say to them?
See, I always say that perfect planning prevents poor performance.
Mhm.
So they should plan first that what
Mhm.
they want to become. Think 1,000 times what you want to become. Take your
Mhm.
own time. But
Mhm.
when you have decided that I need to become this, then
Mhm.
there is no, backing. You have to work on it.
Mhm.
So plan your work and work your plan. That
Mhm.
should be a very simple formula of life.
Mhm.
Invest
And
your time in planning. It should not be like this. Your friend is doing good job. Your relatives
Mhm.
are telling like that. No, you should
Mhm.
find where your interest is there.
Mhm.
If you create interest and develop interest, then nothing is important. Nothing will make you fail in the system because you yourself are interested in that.
Absolutely, sir. So yeah, as in we have covered a lot of things in the interview, and it has been nice to you for the students as well. I'm sure that students will learn a lot of things from this interview. Any last words
Yes.
you would like to say before we wrap it up? Uh, any
Just
last
I'm
words
telling you,
regarding?
sir.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, once again, I am thankful to you because
Mm-hmm.
it gives real boost up to the students. Students
Mm-hmm.
should know. So
Mm-hmm.
I always ask students to learn to ask tough questions. If
Mm-hmm.
these abilities develop, everything will follow. So
Yes,
learn
sir.
to ask difficult questions because students are hesitant to ask the questions. If you are hesitant to ask the question, nothing is going to come out from the system. So
Yes,
you
sir.
should be, ruthlessly ask the questions.
Absolutely.
Are you getting my point?
Yes,
See,
sir.
I am giving you example when you are a child of 3 to 4 years,
Mm-hmm.
whether we are bothering to ask anything to our parents.
Mm-hmm.
No, na?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever we require, we demand to our parents. That
Absolutely.
time there was no shy. But
Mm-hmm.
now over the period of time, shy has been created that
Mhm.
people will laugh to me and
Mhm.
they don't ask the questions. So that
Absolutely.
will not solve the problem. I think
Mhm.
basic thing is that start asking tough questions. In
Okay, sir.
learning, earning is there. If proper learning is there, remove that L, automatically earning will start, my dear friend. So you should have
Absolutely,
a
sir.
right learning for right earning. That's all.
Absolutely,
Am I
sir.
right?
Yes, sir. So yeah, as in a lot of learning results into earning as well. So this is how
Yes.
we'll end this interview. It was a pleasure talking to you and getting insights from you. I am sure that students will get a lot from this interview and know more about the institute. So sir, thank you for your time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.